Hello and welcome to our video on how to make delicious Indian curry at home. Indian cuisine is known for its rich and complex flavors, and curry is a staple dish that can be enjoyed with rice or bread. Today, we'll be showing you how to make a simple yet flavorful chicken curry that you can easily prepare in your own kitchen. Ingredients. To make this curry, you'll need 1 pound boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions. 1. Heat the oil in a pan over medium-high heat. 2. Add the cumin seeds and stir for a few seconds until they start to sizzle. 3. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn translucent, about 5 minutes. 4. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger and sauté for another minute. 5. Add the chopped tomatoes, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. 5. Mix well and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes become soft and mushy. 6. Add the chicken pieces and mix well with the tomato-onion mixture. 7. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the chicken is fully cooked. 8. Add the garam masala and salt to taste. 8. Mix well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. 9. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with rice or bread. Conclusion. And there you have it, a simple and delicious Indian curry that you can easily make at home. Feel free to experiment with different spices and ingredients to make it your own. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy this recipe.